Hello everyone, my name's Dean. Let's talk crypto. This is where you subscribe for daily Bitcoin updates and technical analysis. We track the price of Bitcoin as a proxy for the cryptocurrency markets at large. Today is September 23rd, 2021, and Bitcoin is looking, what's the word? Brave, indignant. Bitcoin is looking like it wants to put up a fight. Okay, and a fight it needs to put up because it is headed for some serious resistance. And all right, let's zoom out first. And I'm sorry for putting the video out a little later today. I've just been so busy, but I didn't forget about it. And you're always going to get a daily video. Okay, so here on the daily, we look good. Okay, what did we say? Basically, we had an ABC correction and a recovery from the ABC correction. And what shows that and what gives us confidence that we had a bullish engulfing candle across of the stochastic RSI and it bottomed out, and some bullish divergence here on the RSI, stochastic RSI, versus what's on the chart, right? That's some divergence. So it's all systems go, or at least it looks like it. However, what's the bearish scenario? We are clearly in what you see here, a channel, a descending channel with lower highs and lower lows. And we still haven't broken out of it, obviously. Once we do, then we're all golden. But until then, we're still not out of the woods. All of the chart sort of daily, not indicators, but the signs say that we have enough verve, we have enough strength to leave this channel. But the question is, will we? We have strong resistance at 47.1, and we should know that that was strong resistance because that was strong support when we were above it, right? Let's zoom in to see exactly what's going on right now. 8-hourly time frame, you can see that we formed an inverse head and shoulders. That's a bullish construction, and we're touching the 21 EMA, the bottom of the 21 EMA. And I've drawn with the white line the neckline of this inverse head and shoulders. So basically what happens is once you break through a pattern, you always have to retest. That's where you buy, okay? Buy on retests. Why? Because there are such things as failed breakouts. And if you're buying on a failed breakout, guess what happens? The price runs on you in the opposite direction. Terrible feeling. Want to buy on confirmation, buy on the retest. So we break out, wait until the price comes back. Just be patient. It will come back. Touches your line. And then once it touches your line, you may want to wait for a confirmation in across in the stochastic RSI, where one of the lines crosses over the other one, showing that, okay, you're changing direction. These are just tips and tricks to make good entries. And I did put out a video yesterday on how I make my shorts, how I short. And shorting is a hugely complex thing to do. I think it's much harder than longing. But hopefully that was helpful. But still, whether you're shorting or you're longing, you want to make entries, and you want to make confirmed entries. You don't just want to enter willy-nilly. You don't want to buy, if you're longing, you don't want to buy high. You want to buy low, sell high. If you're shorting, you want to buy high, sell low. And one of the ways you do that is by waiting for retests. Always wait for the retest, not financial advice. Let's go into a smaller time frame, the hourly, and see more precisely what's going on. Okay, so you see that's the breakout here with this strong green candle, and we broke out. Here's the pattern, the mini pattern that we broke out of. Let's draw that out right here. So you see the retest is going to be either on this line or that line, but expect price action to come down to about 44,210 at minimum. I'm on the Bitstamp chart, so every chart's going to be a little different, but expect price action to come down here before shooting back up. And if I'm going to long Bitcoin or any other asset, I'm going to wait, like I said, for that to happen. on pretty much any time frame, but maybe minimum 15-minute, 30-minute, an hourly time frame, or even a 4-hourly time frame. 4-hourly, you can't see that much. You can't see that much. You can't see that much definition, right? You can't see the small kind of minutia. So you may want to look at it on a smaller time frame, but the hourly time frame works great. Just wait for this to come back down, see if it does move up. It should move up. And what's the target, right? As you all know, if you're subscribed to the channel or you have a rudimentary knowledge of technical analysis, it is from the neckline to the bottom of that pattern and up to the site of the breakout, which would give us a target of about 48,850, which would take us out of our channel. So that is the intended move for Bitcoin. We're looking to break out of this channel. Once we break out of this channel, that would be breaking out of this this downtrend, right? Because the channel represents a downtrend, and to break out of the downtrend, you have to break the pattern, okay? And once you break out of it, obviously you're going to have to retest. Most likely you're going to retest what you just broke out of. So most likely you're going to retest 47,141, which is this point of control, or the downward sloping line of this channel, either or, and then look to attack this next resistance at above 52K. So that's basically what Bitcoin's doing. And as always, everything else is doing something similar, right? So you have all these other coins in similar downtrends, right? Lower lows, lower highs, they're looking to break out. And as we've seen, actually some of them are already starting to break out. As we've seen in this recovery, altcoins have front run the recovery in large part. So you'll see a lot of altcoins already breaking out, kind of getting ahead of the whole agenda, the breakout agenda. So XRP still looking a little weak, but it's getting there, right? So anyway, that's Bitcoin. That's what we're dealing with. That's what we can expect. I'm not bearish in the least. I'm cautiously optimistic. I think that's a good description. As I said, we are in a downtrend technically, but we form bullish patterns and we have bullish indicators to indicate that we are going to at least test a breakout of this this downward trend. All right. Hope that was helpful. Hope that was useful. If you like that, smash the like, share, subscribe, comment, do all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.